Are you looking for the best blender for smoothies in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best blender for smoothies that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 7, Instant Pot Ace Nova Cooking Blender. The Instant Pot Ace Nova Cooking Blender is a versatile and powerful appliance that can make smoothies, soups, sauces, and even frozen cocktails with the push of a button. With a 1000W motor, this blender can zip through ingredients quickly and easily, and the 10-speed customizable countertop blender makes it easy to create smoothies, milkshakes, and frappuccinos. The smart program for cleaning removes most food and residue from the pitcher and blades in under 60 seconds, and the included cleaning brush makes it easy to scrub away any leftover mess. At number 6, Ninja BN801. The Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that can make smoothies, frozen drinks, chopped mixtures, and dough with the touch of a button. The 1400-watt motor and 72-ounce pitcher are great for making large batches, and the two 24-ounce single-serve cups with spot lids make it easy to take your drinks on the go. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. At number 5, Breville 3X Bluicer Pro. The Breville 3X Bluicer Pro is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that can function as a blender, juicer, and food processor all in one. With a 3.5-inch wide chute, cold spin technology, 5 one-touch programs, and 10 speed settings, the Bluicer Pro is capable of extracting fresh juice straight into a 50-ounce jug and creating smoothies, cocktails, and other healthy creations with ease. The Breville Bluicer Pro's space-saving design and easy-to-use controls make it a great addition to any kitchen. At number 4, KitchenAid K150. The KitchenAid K150 blender is a powerful ice-crushing blender that can crush ice in less than 10 seconds. It has a unique asymmetric blade that blends at 4 distinct angles, pulling ice into the center for powerful crushing. The K150 has 3 optimally designed speeds for your perfect blend, plus an ice crush setting. The soft start feature starts at the right speed. The motor automatically starts at a slower speed to pull ingredients into the blade, then quickly increases to the selected speed to avoid splatter. The IntelliSpeed motor control automatically senses contents and maintains the optimal speed to power through all of your ingredients. At number 3, Beast Blender. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line blender that can also infuse your water with fruit or herbs, the Beast Blender Plus Hydration System is the perfect appliance for you. This blender is designed to create perfect, smooth blends every time, and the removable infusion chamber makes it easy to add flavor to your water on the go. The blender also features a 1-minute auto blend cycle, so all you have to do is push a button and let it do its thing. Plus, the included drinking lid plus carry cup makes it easy to take your blends and infusions with you wherever you go. At number 2, NutriBullet Pro. The NutriBullet Pro is a powerful and easy-to-use blender that makes it easy to create healthy and delicious shakes, smoothies, and nut butters. With 900 watts of power, it can easily handle tough ingredients, and the included extractor blades make it quick and easy to get the most out of your ingredients. The BPA-free plastic cups are durable and dishwasher safe, and the NutriBullet Pro comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Customize the color of your NutriBullet Pro to perfectly match your kitchen today. At number 1, Vitamix A3500 Smart Blender. The Vitamix A3500 is a high-performance blender that is perfect for making smoothies, soups, dips, and frozen desserts. With 5 program settings and a built-in timer, it is very easy to use and gives you consistent results every time. The A3500 also pairs with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, which gives you access to 17 programs and 500+ recipes. The touchscreen controls make it very easy to use and clean, and the built-in wireless connectivity allows you to add a range of compatible container sizes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.